Evacuation Immediate has been ordered by the President of the URK. All citizens residing in the Dominion of Canadian Samoa must evacuate immediately. If a military troop comes to your area, follow all instructions given to you without question. Failure to do so will result in severe punishment from the government of the URK. A pedophile known as 02999 has been detected in the Dominion, slowly contaminating your area. Therefore you must evacuate. You will be brought to the capital city Alberta, Concordia. If he has reached your house, do all means necessary to protect your family and property. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation.